Today I am going to share with you how to mount the Insta360 One X on a car so you can make a video that looks like this. For this rig, I am going to use the Delkin Fat Gecko triple mount. It has 3 suction cups to keep the One X stuck to the car, and it has a 1/4 inch screw on the top so you can mount a ball head or the One X directly. I am also going to use the CRT ball head so I can give the One X a little bit more height on top of the bonnet. This is how you set it up. Step 1. Clean the bonnet with a tissue. It is important to remove all the dust and dirt so the suction cups can stick properly to the car. Step 2. Place the suction cup mount on the bonnet. To stick the cups properly, push down on the cup, press the button, and lift the lever. Repeat this for all 3 suction cups. Step 3. Mount the ball head onto the suction cup mount. You can skip this step if you want to and mount the One X directly. Step 4. Mount the One X onto the ball head. Make sure the LED screen is facing the road. This will put the road at the center of your 360 video. Screw the ball head plate towards the One X to secure it into place. This will stop it from moving. Step 5. Adjust the One X to be straight using the ball head knob and tighten it. Step 6. Test the rig works. Give the rig a tug to make sure the suction cups are properly attached. Check every screw to make sure it is tightened. And I would highly suggest that you take the rig out for a dummy run without the One X attached, in a safe and quiet environment. Make sure to test it out in your weather conditions because the suction cups may not function properly in extreme heat or extreme cold. But that's it. Now turn your One X on, connect it to your phone, press record, and take it for a spin.